Welcome to 187 Eagleton Circle in the Eagle Creek neighborhood in Moyock, North Carolina. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath house is just under 2,700 square feet. When you walk in the front door, you've got this hybrid space. It can be an office. It can be a dining room. It's currently used as an office homeschool setup. Here's the living room with a wine fridge, a little bar area set up, large enough for a sectional couch. Off the living room is your kitchen. You got 2 eating spaces in the kitchen, plus this high bar top where you can easily fit 4 bar stools, farmer's table, coffee bar in the corner. From this angle of the kitchen, you see all the storage and counter space you have, plus the movable island. That door leads you to the large 2-car garage. Primary bedroom, large enough for a king-size bed, plus dressers and other furniture. Then your primary bath has a soaking tub, walk-in closet over here in the corner, plus the 2 sinks, and then a tiled walk-in shower. Your hall bath also has been renovated with a double vanity and a tiled walk-in shower. Then, of course, you've got the backyard. Again, this is almost a half-acre lot, in-ground pool, plenty of space for entertaining.